Hey, it's Amy Gates, your Pampered Chef consultant. I am going to be making a no-bake peach tart in our new tart pan. This is really cute. It's our beautiful blue color. It comes with a lid and it has a false bottom, so after your tart is done, you can take it out really easily. So we'll get started. Okay, so what we have here is the makings for the crust. This is just some 2 cups worth of shortbread cookies that have been finely crumbed. And then I have a 1/4 cup of melted butter. So we're just gonna mix those two. Once fully mixed, just going to form it into the tart pan. Now we're going to take our peach and use our stone fruit wedger and line up the seam of the peach with the arrows that are on the wedger, and we just push down. Look at that. How beautiful is that? So we're gonna put 2/3 of a cup of apricot preserves. I happen to have apricot pineapple preserves, so that's what I'm using. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. We're gonna microwave this for a few minutes just to get the peaches a little softer. All right, next up is the filling for our pie. I have a block of cream cheese that has been softened slightly. Just set it out for a little bit. And it's very sticky. All right. And then what we have also is 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar and 1/3 of a cup of caramel sauce. I used just this stuff that goes on the ice cream, so that'll work. And we'll get all that good caramel sauce out and into the batter, and we're going to mix this in our stand mixer. Okay, we have the ingredients in the stand mixer. We're going to lower it down, and then we're going to use the beat mode. And we're going to change it to 1 minute and 30 seconds. And it's ready. Okay, so the really nice thing about the Pampered Chef stand mixer is that it will automatically come gradually up and then gradually down with the speed needed for the setting that you do. So you just set it and forget it. It's so easy. Okay, next up, we're going to add 1.5 cups of whipped cream or whipped topping. Then we're going to lower that down and set this to mix. And we're gonna do 45 seconds because we do not want to over mix it. Time to just put our filling into our pie crust. And we just spread it very gently around. All right, look at that. That looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to arrange the peaches around the pie. I'm using the toaster tongs to make it nice and gentle and easy. And we'll just spoon the extra on. Then back in the refrigerator it goes.